Hi, welcome to Shop Stop. It's that time of year that we've been mowing lawns. May have already mowed your lawn once or twice this year and noticed that you may not be getting that even cut that you want.
So we're going to show you how to sharpen your saw blades and check them out and balance them and get them ready for this season.
So the key is make sure you do get the blade sharp so that you will get a smooth cut, but the balancing part is what's going to help protect that engine and make the mower last a little longer.
Now when you remove these, pay attention to what direction the sharp edges are facing, so when you put it back on that you can get it on the proper direction. But you can sharpen these in several different fashions. One, you can use a regular bench top grinder and grind them. You can use, they make special tools that you can buy at your lawn and garden stores that you can put on your drill and grind them. But we're just going to use a regular hand grinder today. So you go to this leading edge right here. And sharpen it to where you get that sharp edge on there. And once you do both sides, then you need to check to make sure that your blade's in balance.
Now the easy way to make sure that it is balanced is we've got a little item here that we can set the blade on and then kind of spin it a little bit, see how it turns out. And we're fairly well balanced, maybe a little heavy on this side here, but it's most likely that you don't have this little handy device that we've got here to balance it. You can just use a bolt and make sure that you got the blade centered on it and just kind of hold it on there. The bolt will tend to want to roll on you, so you may want to hold it. And again, the challenging part about doing this is you got to make sure that you are in the center of the blade, whereas the little balancer is automatically there. The bolt is with it round is a little harder, but maybe if you got a piece of angle iron laying around, might be a little easier to get that sharp edge to sit it on. And then you can see it is just a little bit heavy on the one side.
So what do we do if it's too heavy on one side? Well, the easiest thing to do is to put it back on the grinder and then grind some more off the heavier side to make sure you've got it balanced. Now another thing you want to watch out for is these have this lift portion right here. After these blades run a long time, this will start to erode away and basically almost wear through. At that point in time, just replace your blade. Now when you go to put the blade back on, make sure you wear some gloves, and because your edges will be sharp, because when you put it up in there and you start tightening the blade and you're grabbing a hold of it, you don't get cut. So be sure and be safe when you're doing this, because these edges, they will cut you.
That's it this week on Shop Stop. We'll see you next time.